All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about a market analysis, really understanding what's happening with the crypto markets right now and what we could be expecting going, into a brand new week. Speaking about, today, happy Sunday first and foremost. We're almost, coming to the end of the day. But yeah, I've been quite slow over the course of the last, 2 to 3 days, kind of just giving myself a little bit of a break, which is something I need to be quite frank with you. But, we're back, it's time to lock in. I've been locked in, but it's back, to completely focusing on, the content, providing you guys, these day-to-day analysis. But let's take a look at what's happening with the crypto markets today. Looking across the board, we are seeing altcoins actually up. You're seeing some coins actually up double digits. Phantom having a great day. ENA is having a great day. But pretty much the broader market is in green. If you're looking at it just on crypto bubbles, or if you're looking at it even on CoinGecko, everything seems to be up over the course of the last 24 hours. But what's really happening, what we could be expecting, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, we're going to start off with this specific news. So, Bitcoin hits a new all-time high of $105,000, gaining 20% in the last 1 month. It comes, expected Fed rate cuts, of course, which are, rumored next week. And of course, there's also rumors that are flying around that, Trump may use Bitcoin as a U.S. reserve asset, from day one. And, this is something we've been hearing, and you guys don't understand the magnitude of that. You just don't understand that. They're going to be obtaining Bitcoin like never before, and we're talking about the U.S. government, right? And they're going to be buying your Bitcoins. So, I think this just brings up the value of Bitcoin even more. Hence, you are seeing, the price of Bitcoin moving up. So right now, if you're holding SUI, if you're holding FTM, if you're holding XRP, if you're holding XLM, HBAR, whatever the case may be, this does impact you. So let's take a look at that. Now, first and foremost, I want to really understand what's happening with the dominance index. So dominance index actually went up, which is quite interesting to see right now. So dominance index did not go down. It actually went up because Bitcoin hit a new all-time high. You could see this for yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back. Bitcoin has been showing a significant amount of bullish momentum. This is something that I've been emphasizing on the channel so much, saying, BTC is looking mega bullish because let's face it, we've seen Bitcoin ranging in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Yes, we have seen major, shakeouts, which of course has shaken out, the longs and the shorts. That's part of the game. You need to understand this market is not only for winner, it's not only going to be winners, right? There has to be some people losing too, but on this channel we want to be the winners. How do we become the winners? We need to have an exit strategy. We need to be thinking realistically, and we need to be locking in profits on the way up. And if you do that, you will succeed in this market. But you are looking at Bitcoin making its way up to $106,559. This is massive, massive, move for BTC. Yet again, broke towards a new all-time high. Which of course, the reason why we're seeing a lot of altcoins up right now is due to this specific fact. The fact that we did see Bitcoin going to the likes of $106,000. This will have a really positive impact on the crypto markets, despite dominance picking up. But you want to be really paying attention to the dominance index, because now if this reserve talk really becomes, and it actually becomes a reality, you actually hear Donald Trump coming in announcing this. Donald Trump isn't in the office right now, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments. I think he takes over the beginning of the year of 2025. Let me know in the comments if I'm correct on that. Don't quote me on that. But if that happens, which I think it will, because he is someone that has not been shy of supporting crypto, especially Bitcoin, because of course he sees value behind it. You're seeing not just the president seeing value behind Bitcoin. You're seeing the likes of big institutions seeing value. They're picking up Bitcoin like never before, and they will continue to pick up Bitcoin like never before, even if the price of Bitcoin goes in the bear market. Obviously there's going to come a time where we do see a bear market. They don't care. They are looking in the long-term horizon. They're not here for the short-term gains for the next 12 months or the next 6 to 12 months. They're here for the next 20, 30, 40 years. and that's what excites me the most. But you're looking at the dominance picking up, so keep your eyes on the dominance. If it makes its way above the 58%, this could actually have an impact on the altcoin market, believe it or not. So that's something that I have my eyes on quite closely. I still do believe we need to go quite a bit high in order for us to get that confirmation. As of now, not bad in terms of an altcoin. Obviously pay very close attention to Ethereum as well, but if you see the dominance going above, most importantly the 58.56%, we could actually see Bitcoin yet again making its move towards the upside, and maybe altcoins lagging behind in Bitcoin comparative. So whether you hold XLM, XRP, whatever the case may be, that can have an impact on it. But let's see. I still have this gut feeling that we do see the likes of XRP, the likes of XLM, HBAR reaching towards all-time highs, and then I think Bitcoin has its run. But again, one step at a time. So far, so good. Lock those profits in when you see them. Cannot stress that enough. I think the next few months are going to be very interesting. I think the year of 2025 is going to look amazing, but we will see shakeouts in that year. But I think the overall, structure for the year of 2025 is looking amazing. But yeah, one step at a time. Obviously lock those profits in when you see them. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions? I'm expecting, we do see a nice week. But like I said, one step at a time. Pay very close attention to the dominance index. Love you all. See you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.